Hello, in this tutorial, I will show you how to request special assistance with Porter Airlines. Here's a detailed guide on how to request special assistance with Porter Airlines. The first thing to do is to open your web browser and navigate to www.flypotter.com. Ensure you're using the latest version of the website for the best experience. Now, head over to the top of the screen, and in the top menu you'll find travel info. Now click on the travel info tab to take you to the travel info section. Now in this travel info section you have a couple of categories, including travel info center, baggage, then special travel needs, and onboard. Now head over to special travel needs. Now click on disability assistance, all right, to be directed to the page detailing the services available for passengers requiring special assistance. Now you can do traveling with pets or children, infants, and expectant mothers in one. So let's say disability assistance. On the disability assistance page, you'll find information regarding the types of assistance provided. So that could include the wheelchair services, which we have in here, and then assistance for visually or hearing impaired passengers. Then you have for travel with service animals, and you have medical conditions and disabilities. So mobility and wheelchair, oxygen needs, service and emotional support animals. Then you have medication and medical conditions, allergies, special or extra seating, visual or hearing impairments, cognitive or developmental disability, and traveling with a personal attendant. So the next thing you need to do, all right, if you need a special, so just go ahead and read through the options to determine which type of assistance you require for your journey. So if you need special assistance, just look for the option that says request special assistance, which we have here. So requesting disability assistance. Now click on that, requesting disability assistance. So now you have more information here on how to request. So it says when booking on FlyPotter, so okay, so special assistance requests can be selected on the passenger details page of the booking flow. And when booking through this, so this is a deck, so you can definitely contact this number and you should identify your special need and provide as many details as possible. Then you can also update your booking with special assistance requests through My Bookings. Alternately, you can contact the disability assistant desk at any time to advise the details of your request, and we'll do our best to accommodate you. And you can also do that when checking in at the airport. And this is reservation requirement, so you need to use and approved that. So read all of this to show or to be sure that you have all of these things required. Then once you're done, you can now use any of these steps to request your assistance. So you can contact them, the disability assistant desk, on this number which we have in here, or just head over to My Bookings. And once you click on My Bookings, enter your booking details, and once you head over to the manage booking page, you can see an option for you to request special assistance in there. Okay, so these are the steps that you can take. I'm just going to go all the way back. So let's select a specific need, and let's say airport wheelchairs, and we click on more info. So all of these are just giving you more information about that, and that's just pretty much it. So disability assistance contact information, more toll free, you have this number here. Voice relay service, you have this number here, and you can even email them using this option or using this email provided for you. So that's it. Now you can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.